Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I'm going to show you the recipe of the yummiest, fudgiest double chocolate chip cookies. These are low carb and keto friendly, and you can pop 2-3 in one go. And they are so fudgy that, I don't know why we need other biscuits anymore or any other kind of cookies. So without further ado, let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin with the ingredients. You will need baking powder, 1 teaspoon, 100 grams of cocoa unsweetened powder, and a sweetener of your choice. I have used xylitol, that's 80 to 90 grams, and 2 eggs. I've also used Lily's chocolate chip cookies, chocolate chip chips to add as an add-on, but you can omit these in case you don't have them. And we also need some almond butter, where we'll need 55 to 65 grams. You can also use normal butter, and as always a pinch of salt. So let's put all this together. Put in the cocoa powder, next you put in the sweetener, and next we have the, just see that your sweetener is powdered. Next we have the baking powder, 1 teaspoon. The almond butter, you can also substitute this with normal butter, and this is 55 to 65 grams of it. You can also use normal butter. Now we will crack in the 2 eggs. So crack in your 2 eggs. And I want to tell you, for all that who are vegan or vegetarian, you can also omit these eggs and make these cookies. Do try them. I haven't tried it, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. They just won't rise as much, but you'll still get an amazing tasting end product. So now let's give all this a good mix in your bowl, and just see how it will come together as a lovely thick dough. And yes, the pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the chocolate. And after giving it all a good mix, and I'm going to show you the consistency, I'm adding a handful of the chocolate chips. They are sweetened with stevia. And so you can choose to put your sweetener accordingly. Now just see how thick the batter has become to perfect cookie dough consistency. Okay, now we'll take a baking tray and line it with our baking paper, and take a scoop and start scooping these onto your baking sheet. I think out of this whole batch you can get anywhere between 12 to 16 cookies depending on the size. Once you put them on your baking paper, just give them a bit of a shape, and give it a cookie shape, and press them down a bit lightly, because you don't have to press them down too hard. Round them up. Give them a nice cookie round shape and press them down. And I still have a bit of the batter left over, so I think eventually I'll be getting out about 12 to 14, and my cookie sizes are pretty big. Yeah, this was a bit of the batter left over, which I'm going to add, and I'm going to squeeze them in. And this is how they look on the baking paper, but I'm going to squeeze in the rest of the batter such that I get in 12 cookies. They are going to spread a wee bit. They are going to rise also, but they're not going to spread as much as the normal cookies. So see that you give it a good shape, but they certainly will spread a bit. So I've used up all my batter and I've eventually got 12 cookies out of this batter. So now it goes into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade and for 20 minutes, and this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. In my oven it took between 20 to 25 minutes. They're amazing. And thanks